To make a wet mount of the paramecium, you're going to need your slide and your cover slip as you usually do, but you're also going to need a piece of cotton and the eyedropper. There's only one beaker for the class, so you'll have to take turns going to get your samples for your slide. So what you need to know is that paramecium is a really small organism, and it's more likely to be found sort of near the bottom of this sort of solution here. So when you go look for it with your eyedropper, you need to actually just kind of go as low to the bottom as you can. So to do that, because again you don't want to mix it up, you don't want to stir it up, because then you'll distribute the paramecium and it'll be harder to get into your drops and onto your slide. Before you put the dropper in, just squeeze out a tiny bit of the air and go ahead and go all the way down. So you should be able to see that I'm kind of near the bottom there, and then you can suck it up. You don't need to fill the dropper at all. You just need a couple of drops. So once it comes out, you go to your slide, and we'll do 1 drop and 2 drops. That should be enough. Put the remainder of the solution back into the beaker. Set the eyedropper side to either use it again for paramecium or to wash it so that someone else can have a clean set. Now, here comes the cotton. You're actually going to need to tear the cotton into the smallest piece you can imagine. You'll see here that it's sort of, I've got it really thinned out, and you really just need something tiny, 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 smaller than what you'll ever imagine, and that should be, you should be able to see this on my, let's see where it is, there it is. You should see it on my finger. It's barely anything. And that goes right on top of your drop of water before you put the cover slip on. Try not to touch the paramecium. And then you go and you put your cover slip on, starting off at an angle, and then let it sit right on top of that. And you're ready to go. What I recommend that you do is, because of paramecium being small and being hard to see, is that you adjust the light using the diaphragm on the microscope so that you can get a good image with this. You might need to adjust the light source as well, but the diaphragm should do the trick. That should do it. Start with low power, work your way up through medium and high as soon as you find it.